Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a quick zoom out transition with no plugins. You don't need any special downloads, nothing. You can just do this all in Final Cut.
Sometimes my love may be put on.
So let's get right into the software. Alright, so we're here in Final Cut Pro, and one thing I want to preface this with is you do need to shoot for this transition. You do need the specific shots, and I'll show you what those shots are. So the shots is one zooming out, one moving backwards too. So this shot is actually moving towards my friend Joe again. So I'm just going to reverse this clip, and look, this one's moving out, and this one is moving back too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed ramp this. I'm going to choose right about here, Shift B, and I'm going to slow this one down to about 25%. Then I'm going to speed this one up to however fast you want it to go. And then this one, you're going to do the same, except speed ramp, then slow down. And that looks pretty good by itself, but it does look a little bit sharp. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to add a cross dissolve as the transition in the middle. Drop that right in and make it as small as possible. It almost looks like one clip, but you can do this with any clip moving out. So here, I'll do it with another clip moving backwards. So that's pretty much the transition. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with a friend if you thought it was helpful, good information. That's it. See you next time. Peace.